Qualitative Analysis, the Brown Ring Test. Presenter: hello everyone. Today we are performing the Brown Ring Test, a classic qualitative analysis used to confirm the presence of nitrate ions in a solution. This test is highly sensitive and relies on the formation of a specific coordination complex. To perform this test, you will need your unknown sample solution. Freshly prepared ferrous sulfate. Note it must be fresh, so the iron hasn't oxidized to fake. Concentrated sulfuric acid, a clean test tube and a dropper. Step-by-step procedure. Step 1. The sample presenter. Start by adding about 2 to 3 milliliters of your sample solution into a clean test tube. Step 2. Adding ferrous sulfate presenter. Next, add an equal volume of the freshly prepared ferrous sulfate. Give it a gentle swirl to ensure the two liquids are thoroughly mixed. Step 3. The critical addition. Now, this is the most critical step. Tilt the test tube at an angle. Using a dropper, add concentrated sulfuric acid slowly and steadily along the inner wall of the tube. Do not shake the tube. We want the dense acid to slide down and form a separate layer at the bottom. Visual extreme close-up of the interface between the two liquid layers. A dark brown ring begins to appear. Presenter: as the acid settles, look at the junction where the two layers meet. If nitrate ions are present, a distinct brown ring will form right at the interface. This ring is a coordination complex called pentaquanitrosilerin 2.